That is step second, find the feasible region or solution space by combining the figure first, second and third and together a common set area OABCD is obtained, that is in figure. That is, we have combined these three constraints on the line OX1 and OX2, that is mm, uh, three constraint. First constraint is x1 plus x2 equal to x1 plus 2 x2 equal to 200, and second constraint is x1 plus x2 equal to 1500, and third is x2 equal to 600, and we have combined in this figure the three constraint, and this shaded area is OABCD is obtained in the figure, and which is the set of points satisfying the inequality constraint, that is x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1500, and x2 less than equal to 600, and non-negativity restriction as x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0. Hence, any point in the shaded area included in the boundary is a feasible solution to the given linear programming problem. Good morning. Last lecture we have seen the procedure of graphical linear programming problem for two decision variable, and in this lecture we have seen the procedure of graphical solution of the linear programming problem by two decision variable with the example. We seen the example first. Find the geometrically interpretation and solution as well as the following linear programming problem. That is the problem is maximize z equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 and subject to constraint x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000. Second construction constraint is x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1500, and x2 less than equal to 600, and non-negativity constant is x1 greater than equal to 0, x2 greater than equal to 0, and we solve the graphical solution this problem. That is step first, to graph the inequality constraint. That is, consider two mutually perpendicular line OX1 and OX2. That is, we have considered two perpendicular line, that is OX1 and OX2 are axes of coordinate. Obviously, any point x1 and x2 in the positive coordinate will be certainly satisfies non-negativity restriction x1 greater than equal to 0 and x2 greater than equal to 0, and plot the line x1 plus 2x2 equal to 200. That is, we have draw the perpendicular two line OX1 and OX2, and we solve the first we solve constraint x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000, and plot this line of two perpendicular coordinate, that is x OX1 and OX2, and here we have consider put x2 equal to 0, then here put x2 equal to 0, that is 2 into x2 value 0, that is this will be 0, and x1 equal to 2000 from the equation. That is x2 equal to 0, that is x2 equal to 0 and x1 plus 2x1 equal to 2000 and then mark a point L such that OL equal to 2000 by assuming a suitable scale. That is, first we have assuming the point 2000 on OX1, that is here 2000, that is x1 equal to 2000 marked in the line OX1. And next here we have considered the scale 500 units equal to 2 centimeter, and similarly again put x1 equal to 0, and here we have put x in this equation we have put x1 equal to 0, that is 2x2 equal to 2000, and that is x2 equal to 1000, and we have mark another point M such that OM equal to 1000. That is, first point we have marked OL, that is 2000, and next point is OM x1 equal to 1000, that is we have marked 1000 in the OX, in the line OX2, that is we have joined this line, that is ML equal to x1 plus 2x2 equal to 2000. And now join the point LM, and this line will be represent the equation x1 plus 2x2 equal to 2000 as shown in figure. That is, we have shown in the figure x1 plus 2x2 equal to 2000. And clearly any point P lying on the or below in the line x1 plus 2x2 equal to 2000 will be satisfy the inequality, that is x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 2000 if we make a point 500 and second point is 500, that is x1 equal to 500 and x2 equal to 500, then we have the 500 plus 2 into 500 less than 2000, and which is true. Similarly, procedure is now adopted to plot the another line, that is x1 plus x2 equal to 1500 and x2 equal to 600 as shown in the figure 2. That is, first second constant is x1 plus x2 equal less than equal to 1500, and here put x2 equal to 0, that is x1 equal to 1500, and again put x2 equal to x1 equal to 0, that is x2 equal to 1500, and note the point in the line OX1 and OX2, that is we denote the point OX1 on A, that is 1500, and OX2, that is OR, that is x2 equal to 1500, and join this line RA, that is RA is x1 plus x2 equal to 1500. And similarly we have solved third constant is x2 equal to 600, that is we draw the note the x2 equal to 600, that is we denote this point on OX2, that is x2 equal to 600 that is this x2 equal to 600, and we have draw the three constraint, that is x1 plus 2 x2 less than equal to 2000, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 1500, and x2 less than equal to 600.